This is Tier 1, Lesson 3, Factoring by Grouping. Before I start factoring by grouping, I need to factor out the GCF. So on all of these numbers, 126, 144, 210, and 240, I suspect I'm going to be able to divide out 6. So let me double check. Great, so that is probably our greatest common factor, and so now I'm going to divide that out. So I get 21 minus 24 minus 35 and then plus 40. Now I'm going to look at my variables and see how many I have in common. So I have 5, 4, 3, and 2, so all of them have at least 2, so r squared. I can divide out r squared, and I'll be left with r to the third, r squared, r, and then I took out both r's, so nothing. So my 6r squared is going to be outside. Now I'm going to group it like I did before. I'm going to group this piece, and I'm going to group this piece. So 21 minus 24, well, I can divide both of those by 3. And I could divide out an r squared out of both, right? Because there's 2 and then 3. So this is going to be 3r squared. And then what's left is 7r minus 8. And then with this one, I can't divide any r's out because only that first term is an r. But I can divide both of these by 5. So negative 35 divided by 5 will give me negative 7r. Well, I want positive 7r, so instead of 5, I'm going to divide out negative 5. Now I get positive 7r. 40 divided by negative 5 is negative 8. So now we can divide out this 7r minus 8 from both terms. And don't forget about our 6r squared. So we have 6r squared outside. And we have 7r minus 8 from here. And then we have 3r squared minus 5. And for now, I'm not going to make you finish solving that, but I will eventually.